Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert text box in Excel. So very easily you can insert text box in Excel. So firstly you need to click anywhere and click on insert. Now in the last second you see here this text option. So just click on it and this first text box, simply click on it and now select area you need to insert it like this way. Select the area and now you can type your text. So this way you can very easily insert text box in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.